Welcome to Step 1 American English. This is Lesson 4.4, Where is, Where are. As always, you will listen to the vocabulary. Next, you will repeat the grammar. Then, you will speak on your own. Let's begin. Listen. Remote. Key. Wallet. Glasses. Shoe. Table. Dresser. Bed. Drawer. Now repeat. Listen to the grammar and repeat after the beep. Where is the remote? The remote is on the table. Where's my key? Your key is on the table. Where's your wallet? My wallet is on the dresser. Where is her shoe? Her shoe is under the bed. Where are his glasses? His glasses are in the drawer. Where are our shoes? Your shoes are under the bed. Where are your keys? Our keys are on the table. Where are their wallets? Their wallets are in the drawer. Now it's your turn to speak. Look at the picture. Say the question. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. Where are the remotes? Where are her keys? Where's his wallet? Where are your glasses? Where your shoes? Where is our remote? Where is my wallet? Where is their shoe? Now it's your turn to speak again. Look at the picture, listen, and answer the question. You will have 15 seconds. Good luck. Where is the remote? The remote is on the table. Where's my key? Your key is on the table. Where's your wallet? My wallet is on the dresser. Where is his shoe? His shoe is under the bed. Where are her glasses? Her glasses are in the drawer. Where are our shoes? Your shoes are under the bed. Where are your keys? Our keys are on the table. Where are their wallets? Their wallets are in the drawer. That's it. Did you get them all correct? Congratulations. You're on your way to speaking perfect American English.